Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show to use Stable Diffusion AI tool. Here you can go and type Stable Diffusion AI. This one is the website. Here you can go and you can use AI image editor, as well as you can also generate images and many more. For example, I want to generate one image, top 10 freelancing platforms, and here you can select number of images. Also you can select the aspect ratio. So let me select this one, and number of images, let me select one. Here you can also add reference image. You can select the model and click draw. You need to create a free account. Simply you can go and select your Gmail, allow access. Okay, again here I can type a prompt, top 10 freelancing platforms. Scroll down, click here generate button. And here you can see output quantity, number of images are 2. So these are the images that are ready. You can view these images, and also you can use AI image editor. You can also create a video. You can upscale. You can remove the background for your images, as well as you can save these images in your laptop. Here you can see these images downloading.